Welcome to Gorgias Helpdesk, where every customer conversation comes together in one place. Let's take a quick tour. On the left is your sidebar. Use the menu at the top to navigate between key areas, like your inbox, analytics, and workflows. Your inbox is where you'll manage customer conversations. Views organize the tickets in your inbox based on set criteria. For example, you can find tickets assigned to you in this default Assigned to Me view. Head over to the ticket panel to see the channel, status, and priority of each ticket at a glance. Let's take a look at this ticket. From the ticket header, you can set the priority and assign it to a teammate or team. Browse the ticket sidebar for context about the ticket. Tags and ticket fields show how the conversation has been categorized, either automatically or manually by your team. Edit these as needed. To view previous conversations this customer has had, see the customer timeline without having to navigate away. Select a previous ticket to open it side by side with the current ticket. You can also view the customer's recent orders with the Shopify widget. Click an order for the full details. And depending on other tools connected to your Gorgias account, you can view details from them by adding the widget to your ticket sidebar. Now that you have context about the customer and their order, read the conversation thread. You can see what you, your teammates, or your AI agent said and did right in the thread. When you're ready to reply, use the message composer to type a response, or use a macro to apply a pre-written one in a few clicks. Now that you know your way around Gorgias Helpdesk, why not dive in? Or head over to Gorgias Academy to learn more. That's where you'll find more videos, hands-on courses, and certifications.